Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Is your vehicle safe? Car theft is rising, and your vehicle's factory alarm might not be enough. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best car alarm systems to keep your ride safe. From real-time GPS tracking to loud deterrents and hidden kill switches. But before we get started, check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting at number 5, we have the CARLOCK car tracker and car alarm system. The ultimate car tracker and alarm system that lets you work and sleep without worry. Features: 24/7 anti-theft alerts. Get notified if your car moves, starts, or experiences unusual vibrations. Teen driver monitoring. Detects harsh acceleration, hard braking, and sharp cornering. Virtual mechanic. Warns you about low battery or excessive drain. GPS trip tracking. Follow your car's route in real time. Pros: affordable, no contracts, easy setup, comprehensive alerts. Cons: requires a subscription, relies on cellular signal. For security, peace of mind, and real-time tracking, CARLOCK is the best choice. Try it risk-free today. Coming in at number 4 is the Compustar CS7900AS all-in-one two-way remote start and alarm. Take control with the Compustar CS7900AS, a two-way remote start and alarm system with unmatched security. Features: 3,000 feet range. Start your car from far away. Two-way confirmation. LCD remote verifies every command. Full security suite. Detects intrusions, doors, hood, trunk, impacts. Loud siren plus alerts. Instant notifications if tampering occurs. Pros: long range and reliable two-way feedback. Expandable sensors for full coverage, bundled with shock sensor and siren. Cons: professional installation is required. Extra parts may be needed, sold separately. For ultimate convenience and protection, the Compustar CS7900AS is the top choice. Best for those who want long-range remote start plus pro-grade security, ideal for cold climates or high-theft areas. At number 3, we have the IMAYCC kill switch for car. The IMAYCC kill switch, the smart, remote-controlled solution to protect your car's battery and stop power drain. Features: dual control, manual switch or remote shutoff. Voltage smart, auto cuts power if battery drops below 11.8 volts, safely re-engages at 13.5 volts. Extreme durability, works in 22 degrees to 194 Fahrenheit, handles 500 amp surges. Universal fit, cars, trucks, boats, RVs. Fits 12-volt systems. Pros: prevents battery drain, ideal for storage aging vehicles. Remote plus manual backup, no accidental shutoffs while driving. Low standby power, 3 milliamp, barely impacts battery. Cons: not for small battery terminals. Check sizing first. Requires basic wiring knowledge. Ignition test needed. For battery protection made easy, the IMAYCC kill switch is a budget lifesaver. Drivers who store vehicles long-term or want anti-theft backup power cuts? Simple. Effective and reliable. Taking the number 2 spot is the Tevlaphee steering wheel lock. The Tevlaphee steering wheel lock, a highly visible, ultra-strong theft deterrent. Features: 5mm braided steel cable, cut-proof and pry-resistant, thicker than competitors. PVC coating prevents wheel scratches and rust. Universal fit, works in most cars, trucks, SUVs. Quick setup, locks steering wheel and seatbelt in seconds. 3 keys included, no worrying about losing access. Pros: visual deterrent, thieves avoid the hassle. Rugged and weatherproof, lasts for years. Easy to install and remove, no tools needed. Cons: bulky to store when not in use. Not 100% theft-proof, but stops most smash and grabs. For affordable heavy-duty theft prevention, the Tevlaphee steering wheel lock is a smart choice. Drivers who want a budget-friendly, visible theft deterrent, perfect for high-crime areas or street parking. And finally, our number 1 pick is the YOMTOVM 12-volt car alarm system. The YOMTOVM 12-volt car alarm system is a high-sensitivity, loud, and easy-to-install security solution. Features: 125 dB siren, ear-piercing sound deters thieves instantly. 7-level sensitivity, adjusts from light taps to heavy impacts, default level 4. Universal 12-volt fit, works with electric, pneumatic, and central locking systems. Easy wiring, just connect red 12 volts power and black ground wires. Pros: loud and effective, thieves flee from the 125 dB alarm. Customizable sensitivity, reduce false alarms by tuning the 7 levels. Compact and versatile, fits most 12-volt cars. Cons: false alarms possible. High sensitivity may trigger in windy, busy areas. Basic design: no smartphone alerts or GPS tracking like premium systems. For affordable, high-impact theft prevention, the YOMTOVM 12-volt alarm is a top pick. And there you have it, the top 5 best car alarm systems. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.